Dear children, this is the second module of the same chapter, handling data using pandas. As I said earlier, pandas deals with the series and the data frames. First we need to discuss about series. Series is a one-dimensional array like structure with a homogeneous data which can be used to handle and manipulate data. What makes it special is its index attribute, which has incredible functionality and is heavily mutable. That is, consider a sequence of numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. So, what is the genuinity or what is the similarity of these numbers? All are odd numbers having similar attributes or properties. Consider another one, A, B, C, D, etc. Another array of homogeneous data. Let me ask, what is the similarity of these? All these are alphabets. Similarly, in Panda, series contains only homogeneous data. And each and every data having index attribute. Normally, series having two parts. One is the data part, that is the actual data of the array, and another one is its index. It is associated with the labels. What is the index of data 10? Yes, it is given as 0. What is the index of 18? It is given as 2 only. What is the index of 15? 1. What is the data in the index 3? It is given as 22. Like this, each and every data in the series having its own index values. We can say that a series is a labeled one-dimensional array which can hold any type of data. Data of series is always mutable, which means it can be changed. But the size of the data of series is always immutable. That means it cannot be changed. The values, that is the data, can be changed, but the size cannot be changed. Series may be considered as a data structure with two arrays, out which one array works as index and the second array works as original data. The row label in series is called index. My dear children, I would like to recall the term index and data. Index is only for labeling the data. Each and every data in this series will have its own indices. How to create a series? Look at the example given. Series object, then pandas.series data comma index is equal to an optional value we can give, where data may be Python sequence, it may be a list or ND array, a scalar value or a Python dictionary. How to create series with the ND array? Here ND array is nothing but NumPy. Look at the program given. Import Panda as PD, import NumPy as NP. Here PD and NP are the alias name for Panda and NumPy respectively. Then AR is the array that is created with a list of 10, 15, 18, 12 values. Then S is the series, PD is the pandas object name, dot series with the list AR. Then print S. Here we can create array of 4 values. Look at the index. While we are printing the S, we will get the output as 0, 10, 115, 218, 322. My dear children, this program is a simple example for creating a series. We will discuss in depth in further modules. Thank you.